Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make coconut puff puff. For this recipe you will need flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour, sugar. I'm using unrefined sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Coconut flakes. You can use the fresh coconut as well. And this is the one I'm using. If you are using the fresh coconut, you have to break it and grate it before using it. Nutmeg. I am using whole one. You can use the grounded one. Salt. Yeast. I am using instant yeast. If you are using active dry yeast, you will have to activate it before using it. Warm water. The water should not be cold and it should not be hot. Oil for deep frying. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will start by adding 4 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Adding 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of coconut flakes, tablespoon of instant yeast, half a teaspoon of salt. I will grate in some nutmeg. Nutmeg is just for flavor. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. And you can also make it without adding any flavor as well. I will mix all the dry ingredients together. And that is done. Add warm water and stir. And the water needs to be added gradually till you achieve the right consistency. The puff puff batter should not be too thick and it should not be too light. It should just be in between. And I will keep stirring it till it becomes very smooth. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to put on the notification bell and click on the ones that says all notifications so you get notified each time I upload video. And the consistency should look like this, not too thick and not too light. I am done mixing the batter. It's very smooth now, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean the bowl with the spatula. And that is done. Cover the bowl. And you can also use a plastic bag to cover it as well, and use a napkin to cover, and it needs to stay warm so it can rise. And I'm going to leave it to rise for about 45 minutes to an hour depending on the temperature of your house, and I'll be leaving mine on top of the kitchen counter. So this is 45 minutes later, and the puff puff batter has tripled in size. I will stir to take out the air from the batter, and at this point I already have the oil preheating on the stove for frying. And it's time to start frying the puff puff. And the oil is hot already. I will be using ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter. You can also do it by hands if you feel more comfortable using your hands, and you can use a spoon as well. If you are using a spoon, you need to dip it in an oil so it will be easy to come out. And I am frying on medium to high heat. For example, the highest of my stove is 10 and I am frying on 8. For puff puff, if you fry it too low, your puff puff is going to absorb a lot of oil and you will not enjoy eating it. And I'll be using a skewer to move them around. Keep using the skewer to move them around so they can cook evenly. And once the puff puff are golden brown, take them out of the oil. And I'll be collecting them with a paper towel. And I will repeat the process until I am done. Coconut puff puff is ready. I will be finishing it up with coconut flakes. If you like it very sweet, you can finish it up with sugar. And you can enjoy puff puff any time of the day. You can have them in a party, snack, breakfast, just anytime. I will be opening it so you see how it looks inside. It was super delicious. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.